Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from hard work, consistency, and patience. So good morning everyone. It's me Pravi standing before you to speak on my crucial topic that would be given by our honorable judges. So I respect our judges to give me my topic.
Pravi, right?
Yes.
So, the topic for you is knowledge is power.
Yes. Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is itself a power. So, good morning everyone. It's me Pravi standing before you to speak on my crucial topic that is knowledge is power. So, let us talk about knowledge is power. So, knowledge is a thing which you can use to change the world, and every successful person is knowledgeable. He can do, if you are knowledgeable, you can do anything. Nothing is difficult for you, because if you have knowledge, you can be a successful person. And knowledge, for a student, knowledge is very important. If you have knowledge, you can be if you can get a good job opportunities, and you can be a successful person, and you can contribute to our country. In teamwork, knowledge is also important. If you are a member of a teamwork, you can suggest some ideas to teamwork, so that they can create some new things. And knowledge if you are knowledgeable, you can do everything. If you see our prime minister, he is also knowledgeable. He is able to do everything. And your knowledgeable person is a knowledgeable person is a one who is able to do anything, and he is one who can concentrate, and who can be better in their studies. So in my point of view, I would like to say that knowledge is a key to success. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Judges, please.
Hello, Pravi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you differentiate knowledge and wisdom?
Yes, ma'am. If I talk about knowledge, so knowledge is a thing which comes from education and that. And wisdom, if you are very wise, it means that wisdom. And knowledge, if you talk about knowledge, so in knowledge you will see that there is like education. Like if you are educated, then you are knowledgeable. And wisdom means when you are wise, when you can be you can be wise. So that means that.
Pravi, actually the question was समझदारी में और ज्ञान में क्या अंतर है? That is the question. समझदारी और ज्ञान में क्या अंतर है? Actually, ma'am, she is a student of 8th. You are in 8th, na?
Yes.
Being a student of 8th, I think that question is just going to be so philosophical. That being knowledgeable and being wise,
Yes.
समझदार होना और ज्ञानवान होना, both are very different.
Yes.
Okay.
Wisdom comes with experience.
Yeah.
Okay, and knowledge comes with information.
Yeah. If you are informed and you are knowledgeable, then you have many opportunities for jobs, for anything. And if you're wise, you can also do jobs, and you can be a successful. But both are important in a life. Both knowledge and wisdom is both important in our life. I think so.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है बेटा. Okay. Next.